to get on your knees? Hello, everyone. I'm Ron, and this is Leon, and I'm with Visa Harmony. Catherine and I started Visa Harmony together to assist you with certain U.S. petitions and immigration applications. Our service fees are very affordable, and we have first-hand experience. Today, I'm going to give you 5 tips to prepare before you file the petition for your spouse or fiancé. Okay, the first tip is discuss the big change. Moving to a different country is a very big change, and you need to start talking to your fiancé or spouse to make sure that he or she are ready emotionally and mentally for the big change, for the big move. Every person will handle change differently. Just remember that your fiancé or spouse is going to be leaving his or her home and possibly his or her family to be with you here in America. So you need to make sure that both of you are comfortable with this decision. 2, budget for the petition. Filing the petition is very expensive. We have created videos on the estimated cost for the fiancé and spouse petitions, and I will link them in the description below. Basically, it will cost roughly about $4,000, including the filing fee, the visa interview fee, medical, and of course the flight to the United States. Number 3, make sure you meet the minimum required income. The Affidavit of Support form is a very important document in the petition process. So make sure your income meets the minimum requirement to prove that you can financially support your fiancé or spouse. If currently your income is below the minimum, you're going to have to start to find ways to increase your income. The USCIS will require the most recent income tax documents. Number 4, prepare the living situation. Start talking to your spouse about where you plan to live together in the United States. Are you going to live in an apartment? Are you going to live with other family members? What's the weather like in your city? Or what's the weather like in the state? So your fiancé or spouse will know what to expect when he or she does arrive in the United States. And lastly, number 5, start planning for the future. The most important topic to discuss is about the finances. Are you going to work? If yes, what types of jobs is your fiancé or spouse capable of doing or qualified for that matter? Are you going to buy a house or buy a car? Start having these goals together. It's very important. If you are filing for your fiancé petition, prioritize filing for the adjustment of status as soon as possible after you get married. This way, your fiancé will have proper documentation to work and live here in the United States. Planning for the future also includes having discussions about children. Are you going to have children together? And if you have children, or children from previous relationships, discuss how you plan on raising them. Number 6, a bonus tip is just to provide overall support. Your fiancé or spouse will need your full support during the adjustment period. You need to make sure that the transition is smooth and that he or she feels comfortable in this new environment and in their new home. If you're thinking of filing for the petition, I would like to say, first of all, congratulations. It's been a life-changing experience for me, and I hope the same for you. My wife, Catherine, is the best thing that ever happened to me, and she also writes my video scripts. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions on this topic, please feel free to post them in the comments below. Email us at askvisaharmony.com. Thank you, and I hope to see you next time.
That's the end. Bye. What?